Meeting the new CK4 and FA4 specifications wasn't our only destination when we designed the Shell ROTELLA heavy-duty engine oil portfolio. It was merely a starting point for us to ensure our oils work hard, just like you. We've been working on the new category of heavy-duty engine oils for more than 5 years, and we knew it wasn't enough to test these oils just in a lab. Instead, we road tested our new oils over 45 million miles, so we knew that they would work where you needed them to, in the real world. You see, we wanted to create the most technically advanced ROTELLA formulations ever, and we aimed to clearly organize our portfolio so you knew which oil to choose when. We created 6 tiers of ROTELLA branded heavy-duty engine oils, offering better performance with each tier. Shell ROTELLA T1 straight grade oils, Shell HD or heavy duty T2 oils, and Shell ROTELLA T3 fleet oils offer reliable lubrication for our customers. We have renamed and improved upon Shell ROTELLA T Triple Protection, a product you have known and loved. It is now ROTELLA T4 Triple Protection. And for your advanced synthetic technology needs, we have engineered Shell ROTELLA T5 Synthetic Blend Technology and Shell ROTELLA T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Engine Oils. But it's our Triple Protection and Triple Protection Plus innovations that really help set us apart. The Shell ROTELLA Triple Protection technology features wear protection, deposit control, and oil breakdown resistance, meaning your engine can last longer, giving you more time in between oil changes and lowering your total cost of ownership. Our Triple Protection Plus goes another step further, as it includes adaptive additive technology combined with synthetic base oils to help deliver better low temperature flow, excellent equipment protection, long engine life, and helps maintain viscosity control under higher temperatures. Our new CK4 ready Shell ROTELLA T4 Triple Protection and Shell ROTELLA T5 Synthetic Blend are already on the market, and our expanded portfolio has launched as of December when the API CK4 and FA4 licensing began. By that time, the portfolio included ROTELLA T5 Ultra 10W30, which is our FA4 oil. So how do you decide which ROTELLA is right for you? Well, the answer is simple. If your vehicle was built prior to 2017, whether it is on highway or off highway, simply choose a CK4 oil. They're fully backwards compatible. If you drive a 2017 on-highway vehicle or a Detroit diesel engine manufactured back to 2010, then Shell ROTELLA T5 Ultra 10W30, our FA4 oil, could be the right one for you. This thinner viscosity 10W30 oil is designed to help deliver increased fuel economy savings with no sacrifice in engine protection. Of course, always follow your original equipment manufacturer's recommendation when it comes to selecting your oil. At Shell, we're proud to bring you the most technically advanced ROTELLA ever, and our portfolio will continue to evolve to always be the engine oils that work just as hard as you.